Midwest Bird Control, getting ready to put up a big net. This is a 20 by 40 net going up in this spot here, keeping birds off these pipes above, nesting up in the ledges. You see this one here is a net installed on this side bay. Now you're starting to see it. Virtually invisible until you get close up to the nets. The rest of the bays have all been netted off, and you really cannot see the net until you're up close to it. And as we walk over here, you see, by getting up now, you start seeing the net. Definitely keeps birds out. Permanent solution. Fake owls, bird spikes were used here. Bird scary eyes did not solve the problem. Birds are nesting. Nesting birds require a more permanent solution. Call Midwest Bird Control. We can solve your bird problem.